Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Garden Guitar. Wish Week is going on, and it's you, Fido. You wish for Alina Baraz song called Night and Morning. Alright, so thank you, Fido, for interacting with me here on Garden Guitar. This is special for you and all you Baraz fans. So, let's go into this cool, beautiful song, and we're gonna do that with capo set on the 6th fret. That is the absolute best scenario for us. We have easiest chords possible. We can reach out to higher notes. Everything is sometimes complex, and we need to go kind of on the middle row, and that's it with the capo on 6. So I'll put that on, and let's go over the chords that are the basics for this song. So we're gonna go into the chords immediately and look at the E minor. That is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. We have the D F chord next. That is basically the D chord, but with an F sharp in the bass, and sounds like that. It goes second on E, open A, open D, second G, third B, and open E. We have G next. So that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, open B this time because we have the melody with the open B, and third E. We have the A minor 7, and that goes open A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. We have the G B chord next. So that is second on A, open D, open G, third B, and open E. We have C as well, and that goes third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. And the final chord is the B7, or actually the B. What I do here is to play 2 bars. One bar is on the 2nd fret, and that is needed to bar 5 strings from bottom up. If you count from E, B, G, and up, you bar till the A string. So 5 strings there, and then I need another 2nd bar. That's how I do it on the 4th fret, and I bar the mid strings there, the D, G, and B. When I do the strumming, then I strum on the mid strings, and I try to avoid the last E string. Right? So 2 bars. Otherwise, if you don't want to have 2 bars, you can go with the sus version. That is to have 1 bar on the 2nd fret and then add the 4th fret D and 4th G. That could be a way, but it's not really accurate so far till 100%, but it's very, very close. So you can go with that sus as well. Sometimes it's better in specific songs and sometimes not. It works. So anyway, that's the B chord. Now let's go into the main part of the song, that is the melody, and then we can finish off with the strumming pattern later. All right, so the melody now, I'm gonna take you chord by chord, and we have pretty much 2 rounds. There are 2 very similar, it's just a different ending. So I'm gonna take you and tell you where I'm gonna play in the same way for every round, and then I'm gonna tell you where to split, where it happens, these endings, where they go separately, different ways. Anyway, let's start with E minor. So E minor part goes like this. So you're gonna play open E string, 2nd A, open D, and 3rd B. And that's it. Next is the D F part. It goes like this. So that is 2nd fret on E string, open D, 2nd G, and 3rd B. So they're very similar. I hold like this for E minor, and then I go up to this position for the D F. Then we hold the G chord like this, only on the 3rd fret E string in the bass, and it goes like this. Okay, so that is 3rd fret on E string in the bass, then open G, open B, and open high E. A short pause, and then you reach out to 4th fret E string in the bass, and open B. And then we have the A minor 7 part. Goes like that. And it's basically to just roll down from the chord. It is open A, second D, open G, and first B. And then we have the final chord that belongs to the part that you're always gonna play. And you're gonna play it's the G B, and it goes like this. So that is open D, open G, open B, and third B. Till this point, you're gonna play it in the same way, no matter what round you are in. So, the first ending now will be a little bit stretchy, all right? So you're gonna play the C part, and it goes like this. So that is 3rd fret on A string, then 5th on G, 5th on B, 5th on the high E. So what I do here, I play a little bar on the last 5th frets strings, the G, B, and E, and I reach out to the 3rd fret A, so like that. And then you need to end with the B-based pattern. And it goes open E string, 2nd A, 4th D, and 4th G. That is the ending here with the stretchy C and the B. Then you go back and play everything else in the same way as you started. E minor, D, F, G, A minor, G, B chord. Slowly like this. And then you have just the second ending here with just a single C-based part, and it goes. So that is 3rd fret on A string, open A, 1st D, and open G, and the pause. And when you play that, you play the second ending, then you just fall back again to play the standard part, and then first ending, second ending, first, second. You're gonna alternate like that from the beginning till the very end. All right, so that is how you handle the melody part. Now into the strumming. So you're gonna follow, of course, the same chord progression, and we have a strumming pattern that's divided into 2 different parts. So we're gonna look at the transition here for the first 2 chords, the E minor to D, F. Okay, so 1 round E minor to G, F goes like this. Okay, so for part 1, in this case the E minor, you're gonna play down, up, down, up. Then you switch chords in the clap parts here, and the clap comes right after down, up, down, up. It starts with a clap in part 2. Now you have a short millisecond to switch chord, and you play then D, F, up, down, up. And that is 1 full string round. So down, up, clap, and then part 2, up, down, up. With D, F. Okay, so that's 1 round. And now you just gonna put the puzzle down there with the strumming pattern. So you're gonna play E minor part 1, D, F part 2, then G 1 full round. That means down, up, clap, up, down, up. Okay, we're half in so far in the first round. And then you're gonna continue with A minor part 1. Then GB part 2, that means clap, up, down, up. And then we have C part 1. And then the B part 2. And that's the first ending. Then you go back and play E minor part 1. And then DF part 2. G, 1 full round. Then A minor part 1. GB part 2. And the second ending was just to play C. In this case, you play 1 full round, down, up, clap, up, down, up. And that is the second ending. And that is what's going on from beginning till the end with the strumming. I'm going to give you 1 full strumming around. That means both endings here with strumming. Let's go. right, so there you have all the tools to handle Alina Baraz night and morning. So thank you, Fido, for interacting with me here on Gordon Guitar. I'll work for you night and morning here on Gordon Guitar. Hope to get something back, so feel free to leave me a comment on this one, like it if you did, and subscribe to this channel. And yeah, I would be very, very, very grateful. So thank you so much for your support, and play tuned.